bagong blouse. Blouse yung ibibigay ko sa'yo, Sis Rain. I have about 8 videos ready, just editing them before publishing. Thanks. Oh, we are eagerly waiting here, Ogir. You know, Ogir, we have new friend, coins and tokens. I thought you were that one. He's a very supportive friend also, you know. Ate Noreen, Ayaw kong basahin dyan. Sis Nor, miss you. Absent ka kagabi. Sabi ni Sis Lori. Sis Nor, hello. Sis Nor, hello from from Kambal. Sis Nor, hello. And then, grabe ka, Mayor. Sabi ni Sis Rain. Hello, Lorico, Eriscan, Pom Kakuda, Diary ni Ads, Watander Vlogs, from Ogir Coins. Ogir Coins, hello. If it is Tokens and Coins channel, I'm a subscriber too. Oh, okay. He only have his channels all about cleaning coins, you know, Ogir. I thought when he visited my... Naku, nahiya akong mag-English pag nandyan si Mayor. Use your head, kuna nang tumanim. Mayor Paimot. Nakauy-uy. Ay, hindi naman pala Ilocano si Mayor. Sorry po. Sis Lor, miss you too. Ay, napagod na sis, di na nako nadalo. Ganun ba, Sis Rain? Ako rin hindi ko natapos. Meron din palang si Charles kagabi. Meron din pala siyang pa-LC. Sis Kat, mega love shoutout from Sis Rain. Hello there, coins from Pom Kakuda. No, inang wala si Coins and Tokens. It's Ogir Coins. Anyway, it has coins also. Sis Rain from Inang Pom. Ano bang What a beautiful showing pictures. This is comment. Ogir Coins, did you subscribe to Tita Katya Coins? She's collecting coins from grocery store, mostly collecting paper and... Uy, grabe si Mayor talaga. Binibisto mo si Sis Katya. Wow, Mayor. Grabe siya. Ayan, kita na ninyo kung paano ako maghiwa. Kasi natatakot akong masugat, di ba? Hahaha, Eriscan. You know, Ogir, Eriscan is very funny friend. He is the adopted son of Kakuda Pom. Sis Sally from Sis Rain. Ayan. The adopted son. Ay, nako. Brother Peter, if you are still there, you see, you now hear how your sister laughing. You know, guys, I'm afraid of knives. Ogir, careful to Eriscan. He's from the jungle. Sometimes he eat you. Sis Katya. Ate Noreen from Eriscan. Grabe siya. Sana, natatakot ako tuloy magkutsilyo kasi baka mamaya masugat yung kamay ko ba. Sobra naman si